Well, I don't know about you, but I've had enough of this. We're in lockdown, the weather's awful, and everyone's fed up. I'm sorry to have to tell you that we aren't going to do any surgery for the next month or so. This is because the private hospitals have been taken over by the NHS. This is to relieve pressure on the acute hospitals. I can reassure you that the senior management teams at both of the hospitals where I work are doing everything that they can to get us going again. But it's very frustrating for everybody. Of course, we must support the NHS. It's the right thing for us to do. But I feel dreadfully sorry for everyone who is hoping to have their hip surgery done at long last. Living with a painful hip is miserable, and it doesn't help that many people who should know better think that it's low priority surgery. But I must say, there is some genuine hope now that things this time will be different. We've all become familiar with lockdowns, tiers, social distancing. So these things don't feel as threatening as they did last year. The vaccines seem to be having an effect, and in a few weeks it'll be spring. Viruses tend to be less infectious when the weather is warm, and it would be good to leave this harsh winter behind. Here's a little interlude to remind you of the joys of spring. Please subscribe to the channel so that you can keep up to date. If you'd like to have some more information, please get in touch. The details are here and below. Wishing you all very well in these difficult times. I'm Jeremy Latham. We will return.